Hey everyone, if you're getting started with Appsmith and want to organize your applications, team members, and resources efficiently, creating a workspace is the first step. In this video, I'll show you how to create a workspace in Appsmith from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Appsmith account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the initial setup process. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Appsmith dashboard. This is where you'll manage applications, data sources, users, and workspaces. Before creating a workspace, think about how you want to organize your projects. Many teams create separate workspaces for departments, clients, development environments, or specific business functions. Now look for the option to create a new workspace. Depending on your Appsmith version, this may appear as a Create Workspace button, a plus icon, or an option within the Workspace menu. Click the Workspace Creation option to begin. Next, enter a name for your workspace. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the projects that will be stored inside it. You may also have the option to add a description. While this step is usually optional, it can be helpful for larger teams that manage multiple workspaces. After entering the workspace information, review any available settings related to permissions, visibility, or access controls. Finally, keep Appsmith updated and review new workspace features as they become available to improve collaboration and project management. And that's how to create a workspace in Appsmith in 2026. With a well-organized workspace, you can efficiently manage applications, collaborate with team members, and build powerful internal tools more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.